How's it going, everyone? In this video, I want to talk about two trades I took today. One was a winner, one was a loser. But before we get started, be sure to subscribe to my channel, click that thumbs up button, and click that bell icon so you do not miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Let's get right into this losing trade. Let's start with the bad, right? It wasn't too bad because we had excellent risk management here. Let's talk about it. So, my original game plan on meta was to take the breakout trade above 295. I know I tend to stay away from breakout trades, but I really like this setup. Unfortunately, it broke pre-market, as you can see here. Now, my game plan after that, I adapted. I said I want to see a pullback to retest that area. So come up, pulled back, retest here. I told the team, I said I'm getting in at 295 to 294.5 for calls. And that's what I did. I went live, got in, had a nice bounce up. I was in profit for a minute, but honestly, I was distracted and I didn't manage this trade as well as I could have. I missed a possible tremor, but then it come down. Once we fell this 20 EMA here, it stopped me out for a loss. And that's okay because I followed my exact plan. Yes, I was distracted. That's on me, but it happens occasionally. Now, we've talked about the bad. Let's move on to the good. Okay, so the winning trade was on SPY. We was trading call options. Basically the same sort of setup I was looking at on Meta. I wanted that retest or the possible entry off the higher low. That's how you enter uptrend. That's what I was hoping was forming here. Another thing, I entered right here at this 439.24 area. That was my entry for calls. I called this out live inside Team Bull. One thing I really liked about this, I did not see a huge increase in selling volume, and actually a decrease if you look closely. So we got in here, told everyone price targets high of day, come up. I trimmed over half here because I knew we had that chance of rejecting the high of day. I trimmed over half, immediately moved my stop loss up into profits. That way, if we come down, I would sell the remainder for a small profit, and I would have the profit from the first trim locked in. And that's very important. Once you take that first trim, I always recommend moving your stop loss up to either break even at what you paid for the remainder or move it into profits a little bit. Or if you think your trade needs room, the only other way I would handle this was move it down to where you can break even on the trade overall. You want to give it a little more breathing room. But me personally, I like to lock in them profits. Contracts move decent off this. I think it's right at 30%. I'd have to do the math, but close to 30% off that move, depending what contract you was using. Now, I want to talk about having a plan while trading. Before we go, listen to this. One of the most important things you can do is have an exact plan on how you're going to handle a trade. You need to know where you're taking profit, where you're going to exit if it goes wrong, especially if you're swing trading. You have to have an exact plan. So, okay, once it fails this level, this trade is void. It's time to get out. It makes it no good, right? That's all I have for this video. I hope these short recaps help you all out. If they do, if you haven't already, please be sure to hit that thumbs up button. It helps me out. Share this video. Hope you all had an amazing day trading, and I'll see you next time.